Paul Sanson Jr., creator of Easy Referral Network and Easy Connect. Easy Connect is the portion of Easy Referral Network that gives the salesman the ability to truly be a business in their business. Besides the referral side of it, it's a way to give them their own personal websites and connect to the social medias. And this is Rob Crabtree, one of my salespeople. And as you can see, Rob has one of his own websites, and Rob was just telling me this morning about some things that are going on with his website. Rob?
Well, right now my website is going pretty well. I'm getting a lot of reviews off of Edmunds from it. I'm getting a lot of hits on it on a daily basis through my Facebook. It's just really getting the word out about how well Easy Referral Network works.
Now, where do the reviews pop up on your website?
They all come right under this review tab right here. You can pull Edmunds up right here, and as soon as you click that link, all the reviews pop right up.
So these are reviews specifically about you that are right on your website?
Yes.
All right. Now, the only negative thing I could say about Rob is that he's a Raiders fan, but short of that, Rob's really taking the initiative, as many of my salespeople are, creating their own business. Now, do you put videos or anything or pictures of you and your customers in your website?
I put multiple pictures of me and my customers on here. For every vehicle that I do sell, I post a picture every single time, and they scroll right here. As you can see, they'll just filter right through.
All right. Now again, Rob, we have Google Analytics behind this, and Rob is getting a tremendous amount of engagement himself. So as a dealer, all of the hits and engagement Rob's getting on his website cost me zero, or almost zero. But anyway, it's Rob's time and effort, but the fact of the matter is, that's what it's all about. So, you happy you got your website?
Very happy. Best thing that's ever happened.
Helping you sell cars?
Every day.
Very good. Well, thank you. Easy Referral Network, Easy Connect, it really works.